Hey there, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we're diving into the world of quadratic functions. Specifically, we'll be exploring one of the key concepts, finding the vertex, axis of symmetry, and finding a minimum and maximum value. So let's read the question first. Identify the vertex, axis of symmetry, and a minimum or maximum value of the given quadratic function. Y is given as x squared plus 16x plus 64. Alright, let's start with the basics. A quadratic function is typically expressed in the form of f of x is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. So we need to determine these values to continue the rest of the question. A is, in this given function, is 1. If there is no number in front of the x squared, it's always 1. And b is 16, the number in front of the x. And the c is 64. So to find the vertex, there are different methods, but I'm going to show you the easiest one. It involves using a simple formula, x equals negative b over 2a formula. We will go ahead and substitute these values in. Negative 16 over 2 times 1. Negative 16 over 2 is negative 8. So, negative 8 is axis of symmetry, which is x equals negative 8. And this was asked over here, axis of symmetry. So we found one of the answers. And to find the vertex, we will need to look for the f negative 8. So we will substitute negative 8 in the equation, given equation. And let's try to do that over here. Y is equals to negative 8 squared plus 16 times negative 8 plus 64. So 8 squared is 64, and 16 times 8. I mean, you're allowed to use your, by the way, calculator in this part, but you can just also do it manually. It's gonna be 128, negative 128 plus 64. So when you do the calculation, 64 minus 128 is negative 64 plus 64 is 0. So the y is 0. So the vertex point is, the coordinates of the vertex is negative 8 and 0. So this is our vertex. This is the second answer we had. But whether we will need to find a minimum or a maximum. So for a minimum and maximum value, if a is greater than 0, the arms of the graph opens upwards. So, and that means that you will have a similar graph like this. This point is the vertex. This is a minimum. But in this case, we have a is less than 0 because we have a is greater than 0. Sorry. So a is greater than a is positive 1. So we will look for the minimum value. But let me tell you this as well. If a is less than 0, then the arms of the graph opens down like this. Then you will have a maximum value. So in this case, we have a minimum value. So we don't have a maximum value, we have a minimum value. Minimum value is the y component of the vertex. Y equals 0 is our minimum value. So we already found this actually on here, but I just wanted to show you the extra steps. All right. So by using this simple formula, we can easily find the vertex of any quadratic function. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to give it a try. Some more examples on our channel. There is a playlist titled Quadratics. I strongly suggest you to solve those questions by pausing each videos. Thanks for tuning in. Do not forget to like and share and subscribe for more Math Jamboree videos. Until next time, happy math study. Bye bye.